Hey there! Get ready to transform your Halloween experience with the Fun World Women's Killer Clown costume, a spine-chilling ensemble that's sure to make you the center of attention at any spooky gathering. This costume combines a classic clown look with a sinister twist, featuring vibrant colors and eerie details that will send shivers down anyone's spine. The outfit includes a multicolored dress with jagged edges and a matching collar, perfectly capturing the essence of a creepy carnival. To complete the look, it comes with a pair of striped leggings that add an extra layer of unsettling charm. Whether you're heading to a haunted house or a costume party, this killer clown costume will ensure you stand out in the most terrifying way possible. Pair it with some dramatic makeup and a menacing grin, and you'll be ready to unleash your inner jester of doom. So, if you're looking to make a haunting impression this Halloween, this killer clown costume is your ticket to a night of frightful fun. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.